Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the exciting world of action cameras. In this video, we'll be exploring the incredible features of the Akaso Brave 8, a compact device that promises to take your adventure recordings to the next level. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a casual traveler, this camera is designed for anyone who wants to capture stunning moments without compromising on quality. So, strap in and let's get started. The Akaso Brave 8 boasts a sleek design that is both lightweight and durable, making it the perfect companion for your outdoor escapades. This camera is equipped with a 4K resolution, which means your videos will be vibrant and crystal clear. Imagine recording breathtaking views as you hike through lush forests or capturing the thrill of surfing a massive wave, all in stunning detail. One of the standout features of the Brave 8 is its advanced stabilization technology. No more shaky footage. The built-in electronic image stabilization ensures that your videos remain smooth and steady, even during the most intense activities. This is particularly useful when you're biking down rugged trails or running alongside your friends. The Brave 8 also excels in low-light conditions, thanks to its impressive sensor capabilities. This means that even during those magical twilight moments or in dimly lit caves, you can capture the essence of your adventure without losing detail. When compared to its competitors, the Akaso Brave 8 holds its own with an extensive range of features. It offers multiple shooting modes, including time-lapse and burst mode, allowing you to get creative with your shots. This versatility means you can document your travels in various styles, whether it's a quick snapshot of a stunning landscape or a dramatic time-lapse of a sunset. Navigating the camera is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive touchscreen interface. You can easily adjust settings, preview shots, and even review footage right from the camera. Plus, it's compatible with Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to your smartphone for quick sharing on social media, perfect for showing off your latest adventure to your friends. Let's not forget about the durability of the Akaso Brave 8. It's waterproof up to 30 meters, meaning you can take it on snorkeling adventures or rainy hikes without a second thought. With this camera, your adventurous spirit can roam free, knowing that it can withstand the elements. In addition to all these amazing features, the Brave 8 also comes with a variety of accessories, including mounts and waterproof cases, giving you even more options for how to use your camera. Whether you want to attach it to your bike, your surfboard, or even your pet, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it. The Akaso Brave 8 is truly an action camera designed for adventure lovers. With its exceptional video quality, advanced stabilization, and user-friendly features, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to document their experiences in style. If you're excited about capturing your adventures with the Brave 8, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more action-packed content. Until next time, keep exploring and happy filming.